Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. So appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research, of course, before tuning in. All right, so I do want to find some swings for end of the day. I'm gonna pull up this other little live chat really quickly before we get started here. So give me 1 second, and then yeah, we'll get started. One second here, guys. All right, so okay, yep, we're on. Looks good. All right, perfect. Yeah, we're good. So yeah, let's go over today what happened and then what didn't happen, and also what I'll be looking for towards this stream. So yeah, let's see here. So honestly, yes, let's go over the Qs first. So the Qs, it had a nice little move down into this empty space here, and then we ended up getting this. So we pretty much played in the range for the rest of the day, and this was the move. And honestly, I still like it. This is something that I'll be looking forward to tomorrow if we can get this move here. So we got this clear gap down there, no consolidation. That's what I would want to this upside. And yeah, we got this box right here, which we never broke above. So I actually wanted this morning, but we didn't end up getting a break above, not even on a lower time frame until that second time, but it wasn't as strong. And then we ended up seeing at seller's control here that sellers had this, grab this wall here, and then boom, empty space is there. So if it ends up, we'll like to see this 622, and then that's so 622.46. That'll be that target there that wants to go. Yo, what's up, everyone? All right, so yeah, that's on the Qs. Let's go over Tesla. All right, Tesla. I'm gonna pull up a lot of these other trades. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna leave that up. I actually want to leave that up too. I'm gonna pull up one more chart because I do want to go over all of these, and then find like a little, maybe like one or two more of what I'm looking at for today. Yo, Mike, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Bro, I swear. All right, so on Tesla, as you can see, yeah, we finally ended up breaking outside this box here. This one literally took all day. We ended up staying inside this box here. I wanted the upside, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, we ended up getting that close, and then we touched that first TP, almost touching that final there. But yeah, 442, that'll be that. So that's what I can see there. But yeah, overall, a little bit of a chop day on that. All right, so yeah, clear gap up. We end up doing that. AMD, some members did get in this, but this one was more of a chase. This morning we closed above our top wall. This was pre-market, and then on this next candle we just retested, and then we kind of just flew up to that first and that final target there. For something new, so for tomorrow, not saying this will happen, but got a nice top bottom wall here, and then yeah, right above. Let's see. 1 second here, guys. So yeah, we're finding some swings now. Where was I just at? There we go. All right, so all right, hold on. All right, so yeah, we went over the Qs. We did that. Tesla, we ended up doing this one already. We already got another little pocket up there. AMD, still got a nice break here. Hold on. So I want to get rid of this, and then there we go. Here we go. So yeah, another little pocket here. Could be potentially for tomorrow if this doesn't want to happen by the end of the day. So we'd love to see if we can get above that 222. All right, cool. All right, nice. All right, BA, I know some people are in this one. Honestly, next little leg up, which I do like. is at that 248. Hold on, I'm gonna write some stuff down on this. Yeah, so BA looking good. Next little leg up if we can get that nice break outside that 248 up to that 259. But yeah, credible move. Had a crazy push up today. Alright. Yo, yep, I got you with BA. Yeah, we can definitely do that. So let me see. ACHR. Alright, cool. Let's see. Yo, Crazy Cat Lady, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Appreciate you tuning in. SLV and then Google. Yo, Kingdom, what's up, man? Alright, yeah, we're going to go over all these trades. I already have what I want in mind. BABA is definitely one of them. So, this morning, I did see, yeah, we had this clear gap down. I didn't enter on this just yet, but want to see if we can end of day get above this 169. So, we still got like, what, 50 minutes left to decide if we want to get that nice break. And if we do, yeah, we got empty space, which is above us up to that 176. So right now, yeah, we did end up going above, but we did not hold. So that'll be my next little play. I do like it. Actually going to leave this one up. Looks good. All right, ACHR. Let's see here. Honestly, let's start fresh. I don't know what I got on here. So, hold on. I think if I'm not mistaken, I did this on the weekly chart. I'm pretty sure I had a weekly box. Could have been a weekly, but I will say on the lower time frame. So yeah, there's a small move here. Nothing crazy, of course, but yeah, on this 4 hour, I do see that we got empty space. So, oops, not meaning that. So if we can break outside that 896, we got empty space. At least for me, what I can see up to this 957. So yeah, clear gap down here. We can get that break above. Looks good. Nice little empty space play. All right. So ACHR. All right, cool. SLV. All right, let's take a look here. All right. One second. I'm gonna look at the cues. Take a look, see where we're at. All right, cool. SLV. Well, I'm not gonna lie. So it looks like, and honestly, hold on. I probably should. I don't think I told the team we're on live. Or Milo, hold on 1 second here. I should probably ring them. 1 second here, guys. I got to tell the Discord that we're on live. That'll probably be a good idea. I was like, I know I didn't do something here. All right, cool. All right. So yeah, I just rung them twice. All right, there we go. All right, SLV. Yeah, this looks good. There's a box here. Oops, not mean to do that. Little box, empty space. 78.84 down to this 77.72. So there is a nice little box here that if we want to get that nice drop, we got a little move there. So want to see us break outside of this consolidation area and then go into this empty space, which looks good. Yo, what's up, bro? Pins? Yep, gotcha, man. So yeah, we got to do Google too. So yeah, Google will be there. Pins. You guys want to see Riot? Yo, Josh, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. All right, cool. Yeah. Let's do it. All right, Google. Probably see the numbers. That would be a great sign. Might be good. All right, so yeah. I did have this original box here under this 321 down to the 313, but we never wanted to go back down there, so that has an absolute no entry for me. To the upside, I'm going to be honest, it doesn't look like there's anything stopping us on that weekly candle, so would have to go down to maybe a nice little 1 hour and break this down. So let's see here. I do see a little something here, nothing crazy. Let's see what type of. Honestly, I like the 321 better, or the best, I guess you could say. What also looks good is we got a box here. And then, yes, right under that, we got a little bit of empty space. So down from that 331 down to that 326 looks good. So basically clear move up, no consolidation. Looks like, you know, the little play we had today, nothing, you know, too wild. But yeah, so clear gap up, no consolidation. We end up breaking under in that consolidation, outside of that consolidation, and then that's what I would want. So, you know, literally looks exactly like clear gap up. Just got to break out that consolidation into the empty space. So if that happened today, I'll see what happened on, you know, Tesla. Tesla did its thing too. Just more of a chop day. All right, let's see here. Pins. Let's take a look. Yo, Rico, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. CVX. All right, yeah, man. We can definitely take a look there. CVX. All right. Let me take a look. Pins. All right, man. Yeah, I already have this on the list. Let me go ahead and tweak this up a bit. Honestly, I don't think we're ready yet. I'll be completely honest, but it looks good. He said, good thing you missed NVTS. It reversed. Well, thank God I missed it then. I mean, if it did end up reversing and if I was in, I would just stop out. But yeah, that's good then. BITO, yeah, I got you. All right, this actually looks really close. We're not there yet, but kind of want to see a strong close outside that 27.89. So I basically seen this clear gap down of no consolidation, and I want us to break outside of this consolidation area to target into the empty space. That's what I would like, but yeah, we're just gonna have to see how things play out. All right, so yeah, that's on pins. Let's see, Riot. Oh, let me take a look here. Oh wow. Yeah, Riot doesn't look bad. Yeah, Riot looks pretty good. All right, so. And no, I don't know what these cons look like either. Riot. All right, cool. Yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad, man. So it looks like we broke outside of our wall, and then it looks like we closed outside of this box already, and then we retested. So if we can get this continuation, hopefully we get a nice strong close like this. That would be pretty great. But yeah, if we can continue 1792 and then 1957. Yeah, actually not a bad little move. So yeah, that's on Riot. Okay, cool. Honestly, I forgot all about it. All right, nice. All right, AMZN, let's take a look here. Yo, Ann, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, cool, let's see here. I had a box here on a 2 hour, I believe. Or was it a 1 hour? Let me see. Oh, it was a 1 hour. Okay, so it looks like we're almost there. I get it. Yes, we had another little pocket there, which looks good. But there's another little move that I can see. All right, let's see here. So if you can look here, we got this nice clear gap up. So all these green candles, so no red candles interfering. That's what I would like to the downside. I want to see a nice candle body close outside that 239 area. And then, yeah, there's that little entry there. So literally looks like, you know, the plays that we had this week. Some today, even though we were chopping most of the day. So kind of played inside the range. See the before, the after. So kind of want to see the same thing, and hopefully we can hit that final TP too. So yeah, clear gap up there. Boom, clear gap up here. Kind of want to see the same thing if we can get it. All right, cool. So not a bad day. CVX. Looks like there's something here. Hold on. All right, let's see. I gotta tweak this up a bit. All right, so it looks like we built another little area of, or a little box here. Yo, Owen, yeah, I got you guys and gals, no worries. Good to see you all. Yo, Yesh, what's up, bro? What you up to, my guy? All right, so let's see here. Yeah, we got empty space right under us, so under that 164 down to that 163, so I get it, not the craziest move there. But we would have to break outside that consolidation. Dude, fire, man. Yeah, honestly, finding some end-of-day swings. We had a couple, decent scalps, and so yeah, really can't complain, man. All right, yeah, under 164, 163, and then looks like we built another box here, so gotta pretty much tweak this up to that 166 if we can get that nice kind of close. Empty space up to this 167 and then 169. All right, so yeah, right now in that box, want to see us break that box there. We shall see, we shall see. Oops. All right, pins. Oh, pins looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't looked at those cons yet, but they don't look bad. Pins. AMZN. All right, let me take a look here. CVX. Yo, Logan, what's up, man? All right, CVX, cool. Uber. All right, we already did CVX, I believe. We just did it. IRN. Tesla. BABA. All right. And then, what? ASAN. All right, cool. So yeah, we just did CVX, Uber. All right, yeah. Honestly, let's go to this higher time frame. Let's break this down. We did find a couple good ones on the live stream. I can't even lie to you. Or they look good. Won't say they will hit though. Okay, yeah, I see it. It looks like we created another. So I definitely would have had an original box here, but it looks like we got some structure here that we're trying to get above. So what I would like is break outside this 85, 89, and then if we can, there's empty space up to that 87 area. So yeah, we got this clear gap down. That's what I would want to see. Hold on, let's see. Boom. All right, yeah, that looks good. Are you using the? No, I'm not. I'm just using the regular ones. So I guess the regular candles. But the only thing that I am using though, other than the regular candles, I'm using the extended time frame. So I'm on not the regular trading hours. The regular trading hours, you can see it looks a little bit different. But yes, I go from the regular trading hours and then I switch it to the extended. So, and you can see the candles have a little bit more information. So that's pretty much how I trade, like all the charts that you see. Regular candles and then extended time frame. And if we hit them, we hit them. If we don't, we don't. But yeah, you can see what happened, today. Didn't post what happened on Tesla though. But yeah, you can see a few people end up hitting that little trade there. Even yesterday. So, extended time frame. And then that's pretty much how I trade. So, that wasn't a bad little day yesterday either. So yeah, that's that. All right, CVX, Uber, IRN. Oh, wow. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. All right, cool. IREN. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, I don't know what these contracts look like, but we do got empty space that is above us. So I do want to see if we can get a nice strong close and then hopefully reach up to that 59.25 and then that 67.86. Alright, so yeah, that's an IRN. Looks good, looks decent. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Alright, what did I say about Tesla? Okay, I think someone wanted me to go over this one too. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up these charts. Targets. Did I do Uber? Yes, I did. So Uber, personally, at least for me, we're in the box, so I want to see above that 85, 89 to target to the empty space above us. Oh, wow. Dang, that looks good. Bro, I kid you not, I swear that I think we just found like a couple of good gems. Not going to say they're going to hit or not telling anyone to get in or out of trade, so please do your own research, of course. Alright, yeah, that looks crazy, man. Alright, didn't mean to kick it. Alright, so, and yes, I got a pink pin today. Alright, anyways, I think, yeah. But anyways, yeah, we got this clear gap down here. No consolidation. Right, so 1, 2, 3, okay. So yeah, we're like literally right above this wall. So if we can get this continuation, yeah, I would want to see up to this 113, which looks good. Not saying it will hit. Hopefully we can get a nice close outside this box here. So if that happens, looks good. Not too bad there. So yeah, that's on target. Honestly, man, if you see any more like that, you can feel free to spam the chat. It's all good. All right, anyways, yeah, Tesla, this one was one from today. This played around pretty much the whole entire day, and then not so long ago, it ended up hitting. So as you can see here, man, clear gap up, no consolidation. We broke and closed under our wall here, so on that 1 hour chart. And then we had a nice retest. So we went in the box and we retested it, and then we touched that first TP. Looks like it does want to hit that final. Not saying we will, since we already hit our first target, which was the imbalance. So if we do end up continuing, I do want to see at that 442. That's what I would like to see on that. But yeah, this was a play from, you can see this morning. This is when we posted it, so right at market open. You see that clear gap up there, and then that trade finally touched that TP there. So yeah, it literally took all day, man. That literally took all day. You can see a couple members end up hitting that little Tesla there. Obviously upside though, so if we end up, going up tomorrow, I have, a nice little move here above that 452. Want to see up to that 455, which looks good. So that's it for me. That's all that I can see, which doesn't look too bad. All right. Yo, Glock, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, man. We're gonna take a look at there. Let's see here. Coin, dude. Yeah, we found a couple good ones. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, wow. Yo, that looks crazy. Hold on. Yeah, that 24-hour looks wild. The 4-hour looks good, too. 4-hour. Let me see here. More of a range. The 4-hour does have the proper box though. That actually looks crazy. So yeah, above that let's see, 255. If we can get that nice close outside that wall there, we got empty space up to this 272, and And then first TP will always be the middle of the move. So this is where we mainly trim most of our contracts and then leave the rest to try to reach. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in this trade or any of these trades. We're only looking at these charts, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, not a bad move if it can end up happening. So basically seeing a clear gap down there and then empty space above. All right, so did I do Lulu? I'm not sure. Let me see. All right, that doesn't look bad. Hold on, Spy. Thanks for letting me go over that again. Let me take a look. You guys wanted to see what's Lulu? Lulu, and then also NBIS. All right, cool. All right, perfect. All right, let's see here. Did I do this on a weekly chart? My bad. I'm sending a couple messages inside the chat here. And yes, we'll go over NBIS too as well. My bad. But it looks like on Lulu we ended up getting a break outside this box here, and then okay. So yeah, we broke outside this wall, and then we ended up touching that first TP. So the imbalance, we actually did touch it. This is why we ended up rejecting there. But screw that. Let's see on this weekly chart. Honestly, there's still a move, which looks crazy. Let me see. But I probably would start with this lower time frame move, see if we can even get that little break first. So yeah, there's a box here, and then right above, so it looks like we're trying to punch back here, and then if we can get through that 2016 area, or 216, sorry, we have empty space up at 223, which looks pretty good. Not too bad there. All right, cool. Yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. All right, let me take a look. So we did Tesla. We did Spy. No, I don't think we did Spy. Okay, no, Spy looks like, yeah, we ended up hitting that TP. So the first time it ended up going. Second time gave us another little chance here. But yeah, ended up going, gave us another little chance, and then we end up touching the first TP once again. So if Spy wants to get this continuation, I would love to see down to that 690. So I'm not sure if anyone's watching my live. Obviously, we were in the queues for today. Gave us a little two moves, but yeah, if we can continue 690, that's my target there. All right, let me take a look here. NBIS, yes sir, man. Got you, bro. Thanks for the follow, man. I'm not gonna lie, I will be honest with you. So NBIS, we kind of already hit that TP this morning, or yesterday. So we hit that imbalance, and as you can see, we struggled with it, that 107. So I would need it to retest this 103.78 for that continuation. I want to see up to that 111. That's what I see on NBIS, which, you know, doesn't look bad. On the weekly chart, though, I can see up to that 120.62. So hopefully we can get another weekly close outside that wall there. And then, yeah, we got some empty space that is ahead. All right, cool. All right, ALB. So we just did Spy. NBIS cons are not just. Yeah, I haven't even checked on those. So if you say that, it probably is. ALB, hold on. Actually, you know what's crazy? I do see a lot of different ones that don't look bad. So yeah, we got this box here. Right above this 173.99, I want to see up to that 185. So if we can get that nice continuation, looks good. Alright, so yeah, right now we will need to get that clear break, and then we got empty spaces which is above us. How do you get rid of the shaded blue and orange boxes from the extended trading hours? I mean, for my canvas, I just have, let me see. Let me see here. So settings in the canvas, and then this is pretty much my default settings there. So if you want to give a little screenshot of that, definitely take a look there. But other than the box, I mean, you can change colors on it and stuff, and just double tap it, and then got your colors, and then boom. This is just basically my defaults there. Alright, cool. Oh, that's triple R there. Gotta go to double R. Alright, so I think I already had this little play here. Honestly, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't really like it, but unless if we get above this 427. Actually, I probably should tweak this up a bit. There we go. 427 area, if we can get that nice break. We do got empty space up to this 468, which isn't the biggest move, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad there. Alright, cool. So that's that. Not a bad little move. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. I will be getting off now. You should expect me to be on my regular live stream tomorrow. I will be inside the chat working on these end-of-day swings. We found a couple good ones for today. If you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll still be on live tomorrow morning, so make sure to join that free live stream if you want to. If you do plan on joining, make sure to read disclaimers and yeah, do your own research. But yeah, thank you all so much. I'll see you either inside the chat or tomorrow for my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen.